Hello, third grade, and welcome to problem solving today. As we are going through, please make sure that you are following along on your class Kik. Let's go ahead and begin. Farmer Drew needs to cover a field that has an area of 81 square yards. If one bag can cover 4 yards long and 11 yards wide, will he have enough seed for the whole plot? How many bags will he need? Let's first start by circling our important numbers. So I'm going to choose a green to circle my important numbers. So I have 81, 4, and 11. Then I can underline the question. I'll choose a blue and underline. We have 2 questions here. The first one, will he have enough seed for the whole plot? And the second one, how many bags will he need? There should be an H, he. Then we can box our math words. So I'm going to grab a purple. And I see that we have an area. We have square yards, which is telling me what the 81 is. I have yards, and I have yards here. I also have long and wide, which I know translate to length and width. Now I can go ahead and evaluate. As I'm evaluating each sentence, I will mark it off in yellow. Farmer Drew needs to cover a field that has an area of 81 square yards. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that out on the side. So here's his plot I'm thinking of, and we have to end up covering 81 yards squared. That's another way to write area instead of squared yards. Now I can move on to my second sentence. Make sure you have that written out. Pause the video if you need to. If one bag can cover 4 yards long and 11 yards wide, will he have enough seeds for the whole plot? So let's see how much area one bag will cover. So I have one bag of seed. That will cover something that is 4 yards wide, long, and 11 yards wide. Now I've been practicing my 11, so I know to find the area, length times width. 4 times 11 equals 44. Yards squared. So one bag of seed will cover 44 yards squared. Now that's not enough to cover all 81 square yards of the field, so I'm going to need more than one bag. So I can add another bag with the same area, that covers the same area. And let's see if that gets us to cover 81 square yards. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 4 plus 4, 8. So 2 bags cover 88 square yards. So I know I need 2 bags. Here's 1 bag, 2 bags to cover the area. Now let's answer a question. Will he have enough seed for the whole plot? I'm going to type out my answer. No, he will not have enough seed. And then it asks my second question. How many bags will he need? He will need 2 bags of seed. Once you are finished writing all of this out, highlighting, boxing, then you may move on to the next activity for Math Today.